panels, using the sun to power this housing development in the east of Newport.
Hi, Mike.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, come in.
After a difficult few years, Phil says he feels lucky to live here.
So this is the ground source heat pump.
From a heat pump to battery storage, there's technology in every room.
I had a massive heart attack in 2023, and through various circumstances, I've got my son who lives with me who's autistic. We reached out basically to Newport Council because we were due to be homeless. Through my support worker who works for Codi, which was Pobble at the time, they presented us with this, and it's just beyond our wildest dreams. This is the important aspect of the whole system.
But not everything is working as he'd hoped. Energy from the panels is stored in this battery in the kitchen. Excess electricity is fed into the national grid. But neither Phil nor the Housing Association are benefiting from the power they're providing.
Everything is really comfortable. The only shame and the missed opportunity is the amount of energy generated, 8 panels per property, sending energy, especially with the recent summers that we've had and having, straight into the grid and nobody getting the benefit.
People can get paid for the electricity they export through something called the Smart Export Guarantee. In Phil's case, it's up to his housing association to apply.
It's a scheme introduced in 2020. So the SEG amount probably ranged from £100 to around £250, according to the market report. But it still matters for household. Clarity and transparency is the key. So as the tenant, they may receive the information about who received the money, how much has been received, where the money goes.
One tenant engagement organisation says there's a mixed picture across Wales, and opportunities and money are being missed.
Solar panels are really important in this current cost of living crisis, energy crisis, and so they can reduce your bills. And therefore they're being rolled out across Wales. Local authorities, what you'd know as council housing, they're more likely to give it to the tenant, allow the tenant to claim it. Housing associations are more likely to claim the money for themselves, not to keep, but to reinvest. What's worrying is, as I say, there's just too many who have got no policy. So that somebody gains that money and it's reinvested into more solar panels and reducing fuel poverty across Wales.
Codi Group, who manage the development, say all revenue is reinvested into its homes and services. They told us our standard practice is to claim SEG income on the homes we manage, with customers benefiting from cheaper electricity bills at the same time. Although there has been a slight delay in this instance, we are currently in the process of claiming the SEG in line with our standard approach. The Welsh Government says official guidance for the Smart Export Guarantee is set by Ofgem and the UK Government. But it added we would welcome the opportunity to work with housing providers to identify and help resolve any barriers preventing landlords or tenants from accessing payments. Though Phil is enjoying his life here, he wants more people to be able to take full advantage of what they have. Mike Griffiths, ITV News in Newport.